I want to talk about this extensively in case anyone is having this issue. I'm also hoping that Bamboo team is going to see this and they'll do something about it. As you guys already know, a while back, the Bamboo app was redesigned. The homepage changed, the login page as well changed for both Android and iPhones. And now, while a lot of things are neater, there are still some things that are a struggle, right, to do. One of them is how sometimes you log in to the Bamboo app and you just realize that you're logged out. Like you just open the app, you realize that you're logged out, your session has expired, and then you have to log in again. There's also been times where you try to refresh and then it just show an error code, and then you refresh again, then everything is working fine. I don't know why that happens, but I think that the most concerning one is how you cannot log in, see your homepage, and you cannot search for some certain stocks, especially the US stocks. I've had a case where, and I'm not the only one because other people have asked me about this and I had to show them how to do it. I am going to show you as well. Sometimes when you open the Bamboo app, on the home page, you try searching for, say, Meta, for example, or NU as well, NU Holdings, you would not see the stock on the home page, right? So if you're somebody who, Meta was recommended to you, or any other stock that is not on the home page, you go to the search and you search for it, it doesn't come up in the search results. You would assume that, Bamboo doesn't have Meta, right? Anyone can assume that. But there's actually a lot of stocks on the Bamboo app. You just need to go to invest first and then click on the US stocks. And then when you search for Meta there, Meta will show up. If you search for NU as well, it will show up. So there are some stocks that you usually not find on the home page that you find when you go to invest US stocks and then you search for it. This is like the third time I've had to help somebody with this. Last Friday, someone was checking out Meta and he said that Meta is not there on the Bamboo app, and I was like, what do you mean? He said he searched for it and he did not see it. And then I had to tell him, you have to click on invest, then click on US stocks, and then search for Meta, and then you will find it. So I hope this helps. I hope this helps someone out there. The other thing I would like to mention is if you go to invest, then US stocks, and you search for a particular stock, but you don't find it on the Bamboo app, there is a form you can actually fill that the Bamboo team, they shared with me once when I reached out to the support team. You can fill that form to recommend a stock, and then they'll review it on their end and then add that stock to, to the Bamboo app. So you can also suggest a particular stock as long as the stock is publicly traded in the New York Stock Exchange. You can recommend it to the Bamboo team and they'll look to add it on the app. So that's what I wanted to let you guys know. Another thing I'm really looking forward to, in case anyone on the Bamboo team is watching this, is just the ability for us to be able to trade on the website, right? Instead of having to pick up my phone all the time, I think it would be really, really nice to be able to access a Bamboo website with my dashboard when I'm logged in, and I'll be able to trade stocks and all of that. But yeah, I hope that this has helped someone, and don't forget to subscribe if you like videos like this, and I'll see you around. Bye.